Hey everyone, today I want to introduce you to LangExtract, a powerful Python library from Google for extracting structured information from unstructured text using large language models. If you work with a lot of text, clinical notes, reports, transcripts, and anything messy, this could save you a lot of time and effort. So, what is LangExtract? At its core, LangExtract lets you define what you want to extract entities, relationships, attributes, basically any structured schema you care about. You give it a prompt, description, and a few examples, and the library handles the heavy lifting, running LLM inference and extracting those pieces. One of its standout feature is the precise source grounding. That means when it extracts something, it also keeps track of exactly where the original text that the extraction comes from, so you can trace back, visualize, and verify, no guessing. It's made to scale. For larger docs, LangExtract can chunk text intelligently, process in parallel to multiple passes to increase recall. So even with huge inputs, you are not stuck. There is also interactive visualization. After extraction, you can generate an HTML view where all your extracts are shown in context, makes reviewing and validating results much more intuitive. Flexibility is another big win. You can use cloud based LLMs like Google Gemini or OpenAI, or run local models via Olama. So, whether you are working locally or in the cloud, you have the options. And importantly, LangExtract doesn't require you to fine tune large models for many tasks. You can define extraction task via a few short prompts as examples, which reduces setup time, great for experimentation and iterating. First thing, we import a Python library called LangExtract. Think of it as a smart assistant that can read text and highlight the important parts for us. Next, we tell our assistant what to look for. In our case, we want three things: entities like who is speaking, such as the customer or the banker; issues like what problem or request is being made, for example, applying for a loan; interactions, how the banker responds or what action is taken. It's like giving the assistant a shopping list. Please find me the people, the problem, and the response. But just telling the assistant isn't enough. We also show it a good example, kind of like teaching by demonstration. For instance, if a customer say, I would like to apply for a home loan, we tag that as an issue called home loan. This helps the assistant understand how to extract similar patterns later. Once we have trained it with an example, we can now throw in fresh text. Let's say a customer reports an unauthorized debit card transaction and asks the bank to block it immediately. We pass this as input and LangExtract does the remaining. Behind the scene, the tool looks at our rules and examples and extracts the entities, the issues, and the interactions for the text. This means we can easily see who is involved, what the problem is, and what action is taken, all without manually reading through the lines of text. With this command, we can save extracted information in a JSON format. And there is the cool part. With this code, the newly created JSON is converted to HTML file. Let me open it. As you can see, we have turned a plain text customer complaint into a neat diagram that shows the customer, the problem, and the banker's response. The extracted structure content you can use in many ways as per your use case demands. So, in just few steps, we have gone from message unstructured text to clear structured information that you can use for your analysis. This is super useful for various industries. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more beginner friendly AI tutorials, and drop a comment if you would like me to cover other cool Python tools. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.